In this video tutorial, we will show you everything you need to know to install your Sentrel Shower base. Before starting, make sure you have the required tools. The installation process can be accomplished in 6 steps. Before beginning the installation of the shower base, make sure the subfloor is level and the stud walls are square and plumb. The Sentrel Shower base is made to be installed with adhesive to a level subfloor. If the subfloor is not level, you will need to level it with a thin-set mortar mix before installing the shower base. Do not use shims to level. Cut the 2-inch drain pipe flush with the subfloor. This could be done using an undercut saw or an oscillating multi-tool. Once your subfloor is leveled and the drain pipe is cut flush with the floor, cut a 5 by 5 inch opening in the subfloor to allow room for the drain. Follow the assembly instructions provided with your shower drain. The shower drain needs to be purchased separately from the Sentrel shower base. Following the manufacturer's instructions, install the drain into the shower base. Remove the strainer and apply silicone around the edge of the shower base drain hole between the upper portion of the drain body and the base surface. Insert the upper portion of the drain body into the drain hole. Install the included gaskets under the shower base between the base and the lower drain body. Twist the lower drain body while securing the upper drain body until tight. Measure the distance from the bottom of the shower base to the middle section of the drain body. Using an inside pipe cutter, cut the drain pipe by this measured amount. Check to make sure the shower base fits properly over the drain location by temporarily placing the shower base into position so that the drain hole aligns with the drain pipe and the shower base fits tight against the studs of each wall. Ensure that the subfloor is clear of debris and completely flat and level. The entire bottom of the base must be in contact with the surface. The shower base will not drain properly if the subfloor is not level. Apply Performance Pro adhesive to the floor beneath the shower base. Apply enough adhesive to support the entire bottom of the shower base. This will add additional stability and prevent the base from shifting position. If your selected drain is a glue-in style, apply the appropriate glue to the drain pipe and the inside surface of the lower drain body. Be sure to use the correct glue based on your drain pipe and drain assembly type, for example ABS or PVC. After the adhesive has been applied, place the shower base on the floor with the drain assembly sliding over the drain pipe. Place a level on the threshold in all directions to ensure the base is completely level. Place a sheet of cardboard over the base to protect the surface. Walk around the base, placing weight in all areas to firmly adhere the base to the subfloor. Wipe away any excess adhesive. Drill 3/16" pilot holes near the top of the nailing flange at all stud locations. After drilling the pilot holes, apply a small amount of silicone to the holes and use 1.5" stainless steel screws to secure the shower base to the studs. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws, as this can crack the nailing flange. If a gap exists between the shower base and a wall stud, use wooden shims to fill the gap before installing the screws. Trim all shims to the same height as the nailing flange. Please allow at least 24 hours for the adhesive to dry before installing finished plumbing or using your new shower base. After installing the shower base, you're ready to install the shower walls. If you have any particular questions regarding the installation of your shower base, we have technical assistance available by phone.